Important things to know about affiliate marketing. Maybe you've been interested in affiliate marketing, but you aren't sure where to start. It can seem confusing at first, but setting up an affiliate program for your website is actually surprisingly easy. In a few simple steps, you can start a great affiliate program that will bring in a steady income. If you sell a lot of different products, organize them, so customers can search one category at a time to find what they are looking for. A search box at the top is also a good idea, and it is even better if results can be further sorted by attributes, such as size and color. The key to being a successful affiliate marketer is to generate a lot of traffic to your website. There is no other strategy that works as well. If 1% of your web traffic clicks on an affiliate link, you need a lot of traffic to make money, so more traffic equals more money. Take the time to go through all of the advertisements that you choose. Change them out on a regular basis. Think about what your readers might want to learn more about or may enjoy purchasing. This will keep your readers happy and introduce them to new ideas on a consistent basis. Never link from your site to any spammers or blacklisted sites. Doing so will not only drop your rankings like a stone, but it also increases the chances that the search engine crawler will consider you a spammer as well, resulting in your site becoming blacklisted. Check your link ups carefully to prevent this. Take advantage of affiliate marketing programs to market your business successfully. Affiliate programs have been shown to generate much more site traffic than passive methods such as banner advertisements. When evaluating an affiliate program, check to see how much money you get per referral, as well as the reputation and design of the vendor site. If you feel the provided sales page of your vendor isn't strong enough, make your own. Some product pages are just so bad it could cause you to lose a sale that you had convinced. Create new copy and put it on your own site, or see if you can upload it as a custom landing page. Up the ante with vivid adjectives and descriptions in your product descriptions, email messages, and site content. This creates a more cohesive image of your brand and can be used to draw a visitor into the overall atmosphere that you've created to sell your product or service. Would you want to buy a 12-ounce chocolate bar or a luscious, creamy milk chocolate bar with hints of Madagascar vanilla and rich, spicy cinnamon? Once you know what you are doing, setting up an effective and profitable affiliate marketing program is a snap. Before you know it, you'll be earning money and attracting more visitors to your site. Just remember what you've learned in this video, and you'll have no trouble getting your affiliate program going. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.